rented a flat for her and changed her whole life. But उसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करें क्योंकि that's लगता है कि हम इतने बड़े हैं. We'll focus on the children. We do it with the children. लेकिन अगर if the parents are not happy, how can the child be happy? So we have to also make sure the parents are well settled and grounded. So that's that. Should we ask for questions, Divya? And then after that, we are free to do one-on-ones. First, any questions?
Hi. Yeah, here. Hi, this is Zohaib from media. Good afternoon, everyone. From Pro Bollywood, exactly. Yeah. Okay, sure. So no doubt, Rahul, Indians have been making news all over the world for their talent and ability, intellectual ability all over the world. So what exactly this idea of India, where this originated, and how and when this came up to your mind, and what are the main things you are going to do with this initiative?
I've actually answered all those things earlier on, but I'll just sanksheep mein main kahunga. The idea of India is an auction to showcase the brilliance, the genius, the vision, and the compassion of 16 of the greatest Indians in their fields. Through that, we also uphold an idea that we at the foundation work very hard for, which is inclusiveness, compassion, generosity, and a sense of treating everyone the same. So that is the commonality between this auction idea and the work we do as a foundation.
Any more questions?
Hi Rahul.
Come in front. We can.
I'm just recording, so I can't.
Okay, sorry.
आपने कहा कि पूरे साल में आप 6 बच्चे का सिलेक्शन करते हैं, किस मतलब एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन के हिसाब से वो करते हैं कि क्या करते हैं आप?
नहीं, हमारे 6 स्टेजेस हैं. फर्स्ट, सारे जो स्कॉलरशिप के लिए एप्लीकेशन करते हैं, दे सेंड अस एन एसे एंड अ ड्राइंग. Top 10% will do an entrance exam into the school that they are supposed to get admission into, which is a maths and English entrance exam. Top 10% of that, we do group games and discussions, and we test the children for compassion, generosity, sacrifice, resilience under pressure, leadership, articulation. Top 10% of them, the final 20 kids, a 5-member panel meets them in Srinagar, like we did for Kashmir, or in Port Blair, like we did for the Andamans, or in Imphal, like we will do for Manipur. And the 5-member panel finally chooses, out of the 20 children, we meet the parents. We spend 40 hours with them over 7 days, and finally choose the last 6. The most important is those children must love their motherland, not India, Manipur, Andamans, Kashmir. They must love where they come from because they have to go back. And second, they have to have just a basic compassion and a warmth of spirit. You can't teach children that. They have to have it. So that if they have, then academics and sports and all that, that great schools will look after children.
कोई particular age group के बच्चे आप select करते हैं?
बिल्कुल, standard 6. Standard 6 onwards. So standard 6 to standard 21 or so 15, whatever, till your MBA or whatever it is.
आप दोनों से सवाल है कि आप दोनों बहुत ही सेंसिटिव आर्टिस्ट हैं. अब हाल ही में एक न्यूज़ आई है, ज़ोरा जी हैं जो 101 साल की हैं, जिन्हें घर नहीं दे रहे हैं, गवर्नमेंट घर नहीं दे रहा है, बिकॉज शी इज़ 101 ईयर ओल्ड है. वो कहते हैं कि द गवर्नमेंट डजंट हैव हाउस फॉर हर. तो आप क्या कहेंगे इस बारे में?
Government has done quite a bit in their efforts to be able to support people from the world of arts who are in need. There are programs that have been put in place, like medical help,